Do you want to know how you can add your date of birth on your Telegram account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your date of birth on your Telegram account. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Click on the three lines which you can see on the top left hand corner and go to My Profile. Click on the pen icon on the top right hand side. Scroll a bit down and you can see Add Your Birthday. Go ahead and click Date of Birth. Click on Add and you can select your date of birth. So you can select your day, the month of your birth and the year. So after you choose your date of birth, go ahead and click Save. This way you can easily add your date of birth, and if you want to remove it, you can click Remove Date of Birth and it will be removed in a while. So this is how you add your date of birth on your Telegram profile. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.